This is our model of the aircraft VariEze, done by the world famous aircraft designer Burt Rutan. It's made of foam board and done as a ceiling hung control line model. Has a small nylon 3-blade pusher propeller at the back on an electric motor powered by a 9-volt battery. It's one of our favorite aircrafts. Very unusual. Canard configuration. Just like its unusual look, the name also is very interesting, which is very easy but spelled as Varieze. Actually, the canard configuration was done by Wright brothers for their flyer, the first aircraft which flew under power. At the bottom, it's like that. That's a 9-volt battery, the pusher, propeller, on off switch for the motor. So if I take this switch and keep it here, that's